Hey, it's Charles here with Service First Mortgage again. I've got some great news. The loan limits for conforming and FHA loans have gone up. Man, they have gone up, which is going to increase the buying power and help you get the best terms on your loans. So we're not having to go jumbos, or it's going to keep some people from having to not be able to purchase what they want because they need an FHA loan. So let me show you real quick. It's real simple here. So we have the 2019 loan limits. So here we go. Conforming loans for 2019. One unit has gone to 484,350. 484,350 is the new loan limit for a conventional loan. Wow. And the other units, 2 units, 620,200, 3 unit property, 749,650, and a 4 unit, 931,600. Unbelievable. So now we'll jump over to the FHA loan limits for 2019. 1 unit property now, $395,600 for the loan. That's huge for FHA. Man, that's unbelievable. 2 units, 506,450, 3 units, 612,150, 4 units, 767,50. I mean, these changes are unbelievable. So you got any questions? You need some information? Give me a call, 214-543-3997. Charles at Service First Mortgage. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.